2 in the mall. But before that, we want to open this package from Anne and Alexa. Come on, let's open. Oh, it's so pretty! Whoa! A unicorn ball! A rainbow ball! Let's. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that one! So cute! Okay, so we're gonna pick. Oh, look at this one, Mini. We're gonna pick a bow for what we're gonna wear to the mall, and we're gonna watch The Incredibles 2. You forgot the bow. Okay, the bow here is also from Anne and Alexa. So there's a lot of bows here. So I'm gonna pick this one because it matches my red stripes with all the pink flowers right now. It's like matching my color, but this one's more lighter. It's like a lighter sea color. Okay, so let's see the other bows. Look at this. There's like rainbows. There's like rainbows and a purple cloud, and there's a blue unicorn. There's a blue unicorn. Oh. Okay, it looks like they're in like a dark place. Look at who's speaking the tongue. Hearts. Oh yeah. And look at the pink unicorn. And look, there's a lot of cutie bows. Okay, let's see. Oh, this one has wings, and this one's just flying. Okay, so funny. It's like a bubblegum color pink, baby pink. Look at this green one. It's so pretty. Why is it so little? Okay, so there's a dash bowl. And look, I found here a peel with a blue here. A peel. Look at this one. Smash my clothes. Yeah. Look, I think this is the last one. No, it's yellow. Okay, so it's like purple with a same color in the middle. So look at this yellow one. It's like cheese. Cheese. It doesn't look like cheese. It looks like this. No, it looks like it's so cheesy. Okay, let's put all that back in there. Look, we're wearing our little bows now. They're so cute. And now we're ready to really watch Incredibles 2. And we also watched The Incredibles 1. Yeah. And don't forget to follow Anne and Alexa in Instagram and see their cute clippies. So, only not clippies, also boys.